Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to bulk delete emails in Gmail. So the slow way of doing it, which you might be doing, is clicking on each email and deleting it. This can take a while if you've got a lot of emails you want to get rid of. If you know you want to get rid of a whole page of emails, you can click in the top left-hand tab and you can see all the emails on this page are highlighted, and I can simply click delete. You can do this for different pages, different folders as well. So if you've got a lot of promotional stuff you want to get rid of, you can just highlight it all and delete it. If you accidentally delete something that you didn't want to delete, you can go to the trash tab and all the emails you've deleted you will see there, so you can get anything back that you need. So that's it for today. I hope that was helpful. Please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.